Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me and thanks for taking the time to check out the channel and my website at bruceseesall.com. You really do have to stop by on WordPress, guys. I have my astrophotography on the website. I have also a couple of videos that I have not had the chance to post here yet. And why? Because I have to continue on with the videos that I have not posted. And good news, there's like four or five videos to get up to date with the website. This is the beautiful moon of October 1st in the night between the 30th, sorry, of September and the 1st. And yesterday there was too many clouds, so tonight too many clouds. Do you see the blue area? Do you see the where the white is on the surface of the moon? It's actually structuring. It's massive platform-like areas on the surface of the moon. It's right in front of our eyes, and what we're seeing is we're seeing a film, which is like here, with when a camera takes a picture of the moon. Well, you get an overall surface. It will like water, for example. It's the best example. When you take a picture of water, the water is beating, and at times you'll take the picture, you'll see the exact difference of what's there. You can see it very well here, Mare Serenitatis, Fecunditatis, Southern Highlands here. The bottom of the moon now, I mean, there are so many craters named on the surface of the moon. And what really boggles me is that most of these craters have structures in them. So that means somebody did see these structures and named them craters. And that's what really boggles me. We talk about it, okay, it could be for the protection of national security. I mean, okay, it's understandable, right? But at one certain point, it's like, wait a minute, why are there structures on the moon? And okay, structures on the moon, that's not the most boggling part. Again, the most boggling part is that they're hiding it. I really don't know why they would be hiding something like that. The moon is, could it be that far? Could it be 400,000 kilometers away? Um, I don't know. I don't really think that's important right now, but it's a good question indeed. But there's Tycho. But what I'm wondering is it human or aliens that are on the moon? I found a craft tonight. Now listen, there are two or three, maybe four types of crafts, well, that I've seen. There's probably a lot more. Dark matter crafts. There are crafts that change forms and or shape. This is absolutely confirmed, and I want you all to see one. This is the second sighting of this craft. I believe it's a black-winged craft, very wide wings with a pointed nose and next to no tail, very short. I've seen it twice. The proof is there. I have the absolute proof. We're going to see it in slow motion. We're going to see it in X-ray also. Here, the different colors on the surface. Now look in the blue, bottom right. All those craters are not all inside. They say that it's an optical illusion. I mean, inverted, sorry. They're not all inverted. Some of these are mounds. Some of them are dome shapes. Top of the moon, you see Sinus iridum, the apple bite, I call it, on the left, bottom left here. The white circle line just looks like somebody took a bite. So we are going to see that craft. I see the watermelon pits, I call them, those crafts. But now this one is the dark matter craft. You will see its perfect shape and form once it's in the center here. Now watch it. I got a pretty nice shot of it. Of course, I slowed it down because it was zooming by. You can tell by the footage here it's coming bottom left. Now look at it here. The wings outwards. We'll see it closer. It looks like it's moving around. Now, listen to me. Why is this not a bird? Because I'm zoomed out at 350 millimeters. Birds appear like blurs, black ghosts. Now you'll see it go by here. Watch it in the center. It's odd. It's a black shape or form that it's shifting, it's moving around. I know it's not a bird. Why? Because it's going from bottom to top. It's not, it'd be up in the sky. It's not a bloody plane there going up into the sky. Birds don't go from bottom to top like that, flying upwards. And you could see that it's actually following the surface of the moon. And you'll see it here. Watch how it's literally flat on the surface of the moon as it's flying over it. And you could tell it's not like a bird. It's not flapping its wings, but it is shifting itself somehow. And I think this is absolutely incredible because this is the second sighting that I've seen of this. Pointed nose and what looks like it has wide wings, possibly. It's definitely something that flew over the surface of the moon. It's definitely not a bird. For those who have telescopes, they know. It can't be a bird. Do you understand that you're zoomed at 300 millimeters? Do you know that if I put my hand in front of the telescope, you can't see it? Do you guys know that? If you put your hand in front of the telescope, you can back up all the way to the friggin' car if you want to. We're still not going to see your bloody head. You'll be blurred. It's too zoomed up. If a bird was to go by in front of the telescope, you would see a massive blur, unless it was extremely far away. Las Vegas today, the Vegas Strip, Mandalay Bay, big hotel, 32nd floor, top right side of the building, shooting um, east out of his window, just across the strip to the stage that was just across the strip from the motel, east a couple blocks. And 500 plus people have been injured, some dying, and I heard 58 were killed. My heart goes out to the families, and be strong. Um, what do you want to say for this garbage? You know, I hope it's not ISIS related, that's for sure. Bloody religious wars. So, this is the website list of generous donors who have generously donated. We're up to 10,000 guys, $10,070 to get the telescope. I'm looking so forward to getting and investing everything in equipment. Guys, we're going to have an amazing channel and wait till we get on the surface and wait till you see what we're going to be able to find. Liza Grassi or Lisa Grassi, I really know, I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Lisa, I really appreciate the donation to the fund support page. Thank you dearly. Love from Canada.